Hey everyone, today let's take another look at this 2008 Ford F-150. And this could be a full review on the F-150. We'll start up and show you a bunch of features on the interior as well as exterior because we're not going to show the engine. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. Let it run. Say blue exterior with black leather interior. Does have a remote start. All you have to do is keep your key fob in your pocket. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the button to go. Fires right up. Leather steering wheel. With the bus horn. 6-speed automatic transmission with locator selection. Alright, what kind of headlights? Hazards. Why start the wheels are located over behind? Let's go check out the exterior. It's got LED headlamps. Like I said, it has fog lights. Also has LED turn signals. It's about 1:56 in the afternoon. So let's use C revs. Get that truck a rev. Come on, rev it! Rev it, you stupid thing. Okay, I'm not gonna deal with that. Move out of the way. Not really love it. I'll move the camera over. There. Hopefully I have to put the camera behind the wipers real quick and drive with Go 2016. Anyways, let's check out the exterior. Let's check out the interior. Easy to do is cabin control. Different modes. Default settings. Alright, right here, turn the steering wheel real quick. Right here you have a temperature, oil, fuel, and your battery, tachometer, and your speedometer. Subwashing fuel light. Turn signals from one side. Hazards. Wipers. Low speed, high speed. I also have a sport button, which I'll give it a red. Anyways. Alright. It's got the Ford logo sign in there. Your air vents. It's even rearview mirror. Why is there a villager on a bike? Anyways, you're gonna shut down. And we'll check out the rest of the vehicle. Also has a trunk. All you have to do is open it twice. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this in-depth look. It's a 2008 Ford F150. Be sure to stick to next time. There's a lot more that came from. Take care, everybody.